Origin FRAL FDNF 96 dehumidifier with an extraction capacity of 80 liters per day, suitable for an area up to 8,500 cubic feet, high airflow capacity of 1000 cubic meters per hour, and it consumes 1480 watts electricity. Let's see how it works. You can switch it on using the power key. You can press the plus and minus keys to set the required level of RH percentage at which you want the dehumidifier to function. And you can long press either of the keys to set the required RH percentage level quicker. And you can press the hour key to view the duration for which the dehumidifier has been turned on ever since it has been connected to the power. For example, in this case, the dehumidifier has been turned on for less than 1 minute, as you can see on the screen. The filter is at the back of the dehumidifier. You can simply twist the knob on the top, remove the filter for cleaning or replacement purposes, and when you are done, simply reinsert the filter back to its position like this. It also comes with a water tank with 14 liters water collection capacity. You can remove it like this, dispose the water, and simply put it back. It comes with a set of wheels and a handle on the side for very easy mobility. It is very simple and convenient to move it around. We hope this video was helpful. Please rewatch the video if you could not understand something, and please reach out to us for any questions or queries. Thank you.